Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to get a virtual home button on iOS devices. For this tutorial I'm going to be using an iPod Touch 6th generation, and it is blue, but you don't have to use this, it's for any devices. So to do this, go to Settings, General, Accessibility, Assistive Touch, and then turn it on. And then if you tap on it, you can go to Home. Now I'd have a double tap. Well, no, you could have a single tap as the home button and double tap as the app switcher or multitasking, and long press as Siri if you use that, or open menu. So like this, you can see this. Say if your home button isn't working, mine is, but just for an example, double press it, it'll go there. And if I go into settings again, if I single press it, it's home. I do use Siri, but I'm not going to be showing it in this tutorial. So yeah, so for you guys who don't use Siri, you can set long press as open menu, and then you'll get all the features right here, including restart. I think restart's only for like iOS 11 and 12. But I'm running iOS 11. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.